Okay, so finally I got my hands in one of these MECO Eleverties. Well, it's an air duster and vacuum cleaner. So air duster acts like a compressed air duster, but obviously it's not compressed air duster, but it does a really great job, and I wanted one of these for a while, and this one was actually sent to me for free. Believe it or not, who knew? Anyway, this is the user's manual if you want to read it, and it has a lot of attachments and include 2 HEPA filters, or well, HEPA style, whatever you call these filters, and includes a USB-C charger. Then let's see what else we have here. We have some attachments, some nose attachments. Oh, these are actually to inflate stuff. So you can inflate a mattress or a pool noodle or whatever you have with these. Look at that. Okay, that's actually cool. Huh, okay, this might be the nozzle I'm looking for, but let me check it. Yep, that's what I'm looking for. That's a blow nozzle. And what else do we have? Cleaning brush, more cleaning brush, tweezers, plastic tweezers. Oh, these are going to be good for more than this machine. And then we have metallic tweezers. Looks like it's one of those to extract keys from a keyboard. We're going to test that in a minute too. Oh, that's a cool touch, by the way. And of course, another brush. And we have another, oh yes, finally. So you can, while you brush, you can blow it away. Absolutely love this stuff. Or use it as a suction. That's up to you how you use it, obviously. We close this one up. And the beauty is in the bag. Well, that sounded creepy, but the tool itself is on the bag. Okay, that's a nice bag. I like that. And here we have the beauty. Oh yeah, the red and black version. And it already has the suction part of it. And the attachment for that said suction part. Let me take this out if I can. Yep, so you can attach this if you want to. The brush on it, or just take it and place this one right in here, and it becomes just a normal, complete, nothing to see here type of thing. Vacuum cleaner. Let me take this out really quick. Okay, the button has been freed. Free the button. Never mind. Stupid. And this is the turn on button, looks like here or something. Oh yeah. So you just push this up like this. Oh, and the speed is changed here. Boom. Just like that. Wow, this is really cool. So I'm gonna put something here, maybe a keyboard. Let me take this off really quick and see what happens if I attach this nozzle here to this side, because that's my very interesting part of it. So let's see what happens. Woo! Whoa. Oh yeah, this thing is powerful. Whoa. Okay, I'll take this one. So let me go get a nasty keyboard. Yeah, in a workshop, that's actually really easy to find a nasty keyboard. So we'll be right back. Okay, so this is a yucky keyboard. And we're going to do the impossible. We're going to try to clean it. But first, I'm going to try some without actually moving it. So this duster, you'll see some horrors going on here probably. But it's okay. It's for science. That's all. It is for science. Let me zoom you in a little bit. Yeah, you might see stuff that, no bueno. Let me turn it on. Woo! Oh, yeah. Look at that. This is bad. Look, boom. That's how it's supposed to work. And look at the amount of garbage coming out of there. Whoa. Let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, all this garbage you see here came out of this keyboard. Perfect. So that would be a great time to do something else. Put the suction thingy here really quick and grab this right here. Put this on and turn it on. Yep. Well, let's see what happens. Look at that. Boom. It took it all out. And oh, look at that. It actually does a pretty good job in here too. Look, it's taking everything out. And let me turn it off quick. You can put one of these things here too. Let me see. Yep. Right here. So while you brush it, it actually takes the dust out. It cleans it in. Well, this keyboard will definitely need to be taken apart, but hey, look at that. Boom. There's a lot of dirt here, but it is way better from where we started. Gotta say that. So, wow. This thing really works. Let me show you the horror here on the filter. Yuck. Yeah, that was yucky. Okay, let me dump this one really quick. And as I understand, these are washable. These two filters, you can wash them on your sink, so you don't need to just buy filters every time. You can just wash them and literally you are ready to go. Now, let me plug in this one with a thingy here, with a brush. It goes here. Oh yeah, it's strong. Look at that. It's still blowing stuff out. I'm gonna have so much fun with this one. Look at that. Boom. Throwing stuff all around. Yeah, yeah. Woo. Okay, I threw the filters out because it blows that much. Okay, so this thing here has been sitting on a dusty place for over 6 months, I probably would say. And let's see what this thing can do for it. Now, before you say, oh my god, how can you have those nasty things in your table or house? This is a workshop you're looking at right here. Just because this is a glass white table, this whole area, room, is a workshop. I solder, I cut, I desolder, all that stuff happens here. So dust, that's just part of life. What is not part of life is me cleaning it. But now I have this tool to have fun with. Whoa, look at that. Boom. Look at that. It's almost brand new now. Cool. Oh, I have an idea. Well, let's assume this is a nasty USB-C port. It is a little bit, but actually not that bad. A little bit. What if I do this on it? Let me see. Whoa. Okay. It actually made it almost brand new again. Look. Look. I don't know if you could see the dust before, but look at it now. Completely clean. Okay, so I will definitely suggest this with 100% confidence. I'm not even joking. And really quick, I'm gonna go dust blow my PC. Because that thing might be less than clean, and why not? Let's go do it really quick. Now this may be the reason I like this kind of vacuum thingy. Because, look at that. I can just do this. Boom. And the camera actually is not catching all the dust, but it was quite bad. Yeah, let's put it that way. It was quite bad. Haven't cleaned it in a few months, and as I said, it's a workshop, not a beauty salon, so it gets dusty. And yeah, back to the table. So with that said, one more thing is left to do here. Try to remove keys on this keyboard in order to clean it. Boom. So it actually works for that, and it does it really good. Look at that. Boom. And these are really nasty. Nasty. Look at that. Let me push this on. Boom. Well, now it needs rubbing alcohol probably to do the great job, but hey, this is actually cool. It does the job. How about the other puller? Yeah. It works perfect, actually. I really like this thing. That's definitely my new favorite toy now, I gotta say. Where have I been? I mean, have I been? I've been wanting one of these for a while, but I just never got to get one somehow, and I don't know why. But now, I am very happy they sent me one, because I really like it, and I'm gonna keep it forever. Put these buttons almost where they were before, and that's it. Besides that, of course, you can go the manual. Ooh, this keyboard is seriously something else now. Now it's beyond just showcasing it on video. Now it's really just straight up bad. This brush goes right in between and does the job. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, I might have to take apart this keyboard. This is a keyboard. Look. Literally, there's a screw on it, a VESA mount screw. Probably it fell in it when I was building the wall mount LED screens, and there's a lot going on in a workshop. So yeah, don't fault me for this. It's a normal workshop. If you've never seen one, well, welcome aboard. Okay, so these all work, and you have even a fine brush somehow. Oh, look at that. I can actually use this to clean the car dashboard too. Look at that. So it can go into detail. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this keyboard might need deeper cleaning than what I'm doing here. And you have the other brush. That's not only for keyboards, but you can use it for whatever you wish so. And you have the blow and deblow or deflate. Deblow. I'm just making new words now. Yay. You can inflate and deflate inflatable, I don't know, pool toys and whatnot. So as for me, this is absolutely a beauty. And thank you guys for sending it my way. I love it. This is what I've been actually looking for because it has both functions. You can blow air and you can suck dust. What else do you want in life? And yes, it's USB-C rechargeable, and the battery, based on the feel, feels quite good and quite hefty. Yeah, 2000 milliamp battery, 3 pieces inside. That's quite a lot. Not sure if the camera is letting us see it, but yep, right there. So, link will be down below. Please go check it out. Don't let your keyboards and stuff grow beards like mine. And we'll see you next time. Bye.